Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my zodiac makeup series with the Virgo. We're gonna use gray, beige and pale yellows in this. This is gonna be looking interesting because I don't have too much yellows and the beige color is not looking too good on me because I have a really dark skin, but let's get into it. So first I start with my Garnier BB cream in the shade of medium because they come in medium and light, and usually I use medium. Sometimes when I feel like it I use the mixture of light and medium, but I didn't do that for a while now, so maybe I just used to do it and now I'm only using the medium one. Then I'm using my TWO.O Naked for 12 Camouflage Cream palette. To contouring, there are some beige colors in that, so first I'm gonna use the lighter color because I'm using only one brush because I like to, how to say, not use too much brushes in one video. So first I do these, I always forgot what I want to say, so I just do this with the lightest color, these, how to say, highlighting places. Then I use the beige color to contour my face as a concealer. I use it as a concealer, light color, because I don't have a concealer. So I just do this, then blend everything out, and yes, with a beauty blender. Then I'm using the darkest color to contour on top of the beige color because I have a dark skin and I know I have a nicely structured and skinny face, but I love contouring, so I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna do what I love to do. Then I'm using my NYX Inner Element Air eyeshadow palette and using the pale yellow and later the silvery gray color, but first I'm using the pale yellow. As you can see, it wasn't too much visible, maybe it wasn't pigmented enough, or I don't know, or I should prime my eyelids, but I don't have a primer for that, so that's what happened here. And then I was doing the crease. I have run out my favorite brushes, so I clean my brushes, but I make makeups a lot these days. So I was just doing the light silverish gray on the crease and, how they say it, up, not on my eyelid, it's further, nearer to my eyebrows. I can't talk. Then I'm using my In Your Element Wind palette. As you know, I really like these In Your Element palettes. I almost had all of them. I had 50%. It's not almost, but this is what I can afford. Then I did my crease with the darker gray. Then I wasn't satisfied with the yellow, so I used my favorite palette, the In Your Element Fire, and I added the yellow a little bit at the other corner of my eyelid to make it more yellow because I wasn't liking it the way it was. Then I use my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream eyeshadow palette and the yellow color. As you know, I use this palette as a highlighter palette, so I'm gonna use the yellow color as a highlighter again. I really like this palette because it's super nice, pastel-y, this highlighty colors. Once I tried to use them as eyeshadow, but it wasn't looking that good for me. Then I used beige color on my eyebrows, I don't know what. Then I used my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the color of Corset. It looked super nice because that's what I find nearest to a beige color or best for this beige look. So I was just doing that. I didn't use any lip liner or anything because I don't have too much, and that's the finished look. So, if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of link in description that you should check out. Please leave some comment section. See you next video. Bye!